Deep within her bones, Anastasia felt a storm brewing. Above her, beyond the thickness of the trees, lay the darkening sky. It was the middle of the day, and yet it felt like the night was closing in. Thunder boomed in the distance, drawing closer with every heavy footstep. Left. Right. Left. Right. The thunder again. This time closer than before. She felt it rattle her aging bones, and immediately after, the shock of lightning coursed through her veins. She let out a cry as the storm wrapped around her heart, strangling every breath. I have to make it for Liliana. Then, everything went silent. The sounds of the storm ceased, though she knew it was raging beyond. Then there was a new sound, growing louder and louder. Click, click. She felt the presence of another being watching her. Anastasia's blood ran cold. She turned around and saw a giant black spider, with 8 beady black eyes staring down at her. Instinctively, she squeezed her eyes shut. No! Don't hurt me! Why would I try to do that? Queried the giant spider. Anastasia gazed up into the spider's eyes, wondering if she had spoken out loud. What do you want? I'm kind of in a rush here. Anastasia, agitated, wanted this monster to leave her alone. I just wanted to offer someone my sugar silk cake, and you were the first person I saw. I'm Billy, by the way. Billy extended his front 2 legs, and revealed the prettiest cake Anastasia had ever seen. The silk that it was made of shimmered, even in the darkened forest, and was spun with the colors of the rainbow. There was a sense of hope that radiated from the sugar silk cake. Hope that her baby would survive the madness of the universe she lives in.